Hello everyone, my name is Craig Piper with Crypto Answers. Today is Thursday, October the 12th, 2017, and Bitcoin is all over the news right now. We did finally crush that $5,000 crucial psychological level in overnight trading and continued to new highs. Right now we're looking at $5,430 and change. Like I said, we're continuing to new highs. We're solidifying that level right now before we move higher. So what is driving that price action, right? There are two reasons. First and foremost, the Bitcoin Gold hard fork coming up here end of October. On October 25th, there will be another Bitcoin hard fork resulting in a new currency called Bitcoin Gold. Now, this currency will be airdropped shortly thereafter to anyone holding Bitcoin in a private key on October the 25th, and that is driving a lot of the price action that we're seeing right now. Also, we are toward the end of a massive Elliott wave. We're in the upper echelon of the fifth fractal of an Elliott wave, and we're going to break that down for you here in just a moment. Make sure you stay with us. All right, so here we are looking at the Bitcoin one-day chart over the span of about a year, and I've already plotted for us the Elliott wave that I was talking about before. Now, for anyone who is unfamiliar with the term, the Elliott wave is a system designed by Ralph Nelson Elliott long ago, and basically what it states is that if you can clearly identify these five waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there will be a massive bearish pullback that is typically three waves, A, B, C, shortly thereafter. So what we have here before us is a very clearly defined Elliott wave, and like I said, we're basically in the middle of fractal 5 here. We're still in a bullish market. Don't worry, we're still in a bullish market. However, I'm not sure how much longer it's going to last. I would guess that it's going to correspond almost exactly to the Bitcoin Gold fork, because after that, once investors have locked in their Bitcoin Gold dividend, the premium that we're paying right now for Bitcoin is not going to be worth it. So that's what's going to spark this massive sell-off. I'm almost positive. And right, if you can see the red lines that I projected right here, that's probably roughly what the sell-off is going to look like. So if you want to know how to trade this, here's what I would recommend. Now, before I get into it, keep in mind, I'm not a professional analysis expert. I don't do this for a living. I do this for a hobby. I love crypto and I love breaking this stuff down and bringing it to you guys, but I'm not an expert. So do your own independent research, do your own analysis, and ultimately you have to be willing to accept the risk. But let's look at the broader market before I get too far into this. There we are, new all-time high for Bitcoin, 54.45, and Litecoin top $59. That is absolutely awesome. Notice that aside from these two currencies, almost the entire rest of the market is down 2-3%. A lot of the stuff is down double digits, right? So Bitcoin, Litecoin going up, all the altcoins going down. Now, what this represents is a consolidation of all of the available capital into these two currencies. So as this Elliott wave comes to its final culmination up here, probably somewhere between $5,500 and $6,000, Bitcoin is going to sell off. It's going to drop like a rock. And as it does, people are going to use those profits to splash them out into all the different altcoins because they're all trading very, very low. They're trading at very attractive levels right now. The only reason people are not buying them is because they're still pouring their money into Bitcoin. So I would recommend, again, I'm not an expert, but I'm probably going to be looking to sell my Bitcoin position somewhere between $5,500 and $6,000. Now we're almost to $5,500 now, and I believe it's fairly common for the fifth fractal to be the biggest wave of the Elliott wave. So I think we still have a ways to run. I've seen quite a few analysts project $6,000 as the upper limit. I'm not sure I'm going to wait that long, but I definitely think we still have a little bit of bull market left, a little bit of ways to run, and that'll be a good time to lock in your profits and then buy the altcoins. Anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about there. The altcoins are looking very attractive. Bitcoin is approaching an overbought place in the cryptosphere, but it's not there yet. So there you go. Bitcoin finally crossed that $5,000 very, very crucial psychological threshold, and now it's pretty much to the moon. You noticed the graphic from earlier. I still think we're headed to the moon. There could very well be a correction here in the near future. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to be in the dark necessarily. It'll come back from it, but this would be a good time to realize some profits. Thank you everyone for listening. Remember, this is Crypto Answers bringing you this video, and we very much appreciate all of your support. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe for more. Comment, give us some feedback, let us know how we're doing. And as always, wishing you all good health and good fortune.